Hello friends. So today we'll be learning about residue classes. So what is a residue class? Residue classes for a function, let's say f of x, and with respect to mod of n are all the different possible values of fx mod n. So for example, fx, if we choose our fx as let's say x, okay, and if we put the value of x n as 6, then the residue classes are all the possible values of x mod 6. And let's say we are taking x from the natural numbers, then, or let's say we take all the possible numbers, so including 0. So if we take that, then 0 mod 6 is equal to 0, 1 mod 6 is equal to 1, because when 1 is divided by 6, the residue is 1. So that is why it's named residue class. Similarly, 2 is divided by 6, the residue is 2. 3 is divided by 6, the residue is 3. 4 is divided by 6, residue is 4. 5 is divided by 6, the residue is 5. So we have, these are our residue classes. For example, these are all the different values, so which are basically can take this fx mod n can take. So these are all the residue classes. Now let's change our function a bit. Let's say we consider x square mod 6 instead. Then x square mod 6 can have 0 square mod 6, which is 0. Then 1 square mod 6, which is 1 again. 2 square mod 6, which is 4. Then 3 square mod 6. 3 square is 6. 3 square is 9. The mod 6 will be 3. 4 square mod 6. 4 square is 16 mod 6. So 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 6 2 is 12. Then the remainder is 4. 4 and 4 are same. So these will be same. Then we have 5 square mod 6. It becomes 25 mod 6, which is 6 4 is 24, 1. So 1 and 1 are same. So here the residue classes are 0, 1, 3 and 4. Only 4 values. Hope you like the video. Thank you friends.